ayin bit, and sif katan kuf tes vav, I think, that a person should drink in one gulp. But if he can't, some poskim say he can drink it literally in the time it usually takes to drink a revi'it. The Mishnah Berurah says that most people drink a revi'it in 2 gulps, so that's the time you have 4 people in 4 cups. The Mishnah Torah quotes from Gemara Psachim that just as the Jewish people have the obligation to supply the poor with physical needs, they have an obligation to make sure each poor person has the 4 cups. But do you only need to give 4 cups to each poor person or to each poor person's family? The Mishnah Torah quotes again from Gemara Psachim that you need only 4 cups per family, not to each person. Source for Mishnah Torah on 4 people and the 4 cups, and this is just the actual text from the Mishnah Torah. Drinking between cups. It says in the Mishnah Berurah 473:16 that it is permitted to drink water and or soda between the first and second cups. A shahakal is required. However, if the drink was on the table during Kiddush, no bracha is required. If someone wants to drink coffee, tea, or juice between the first 2 cups, they may, but only if there is no bracha, meaning that they must have had the drink ready and set aside on the table when Kiddush was made. English source explaining the Mishnah Berurah about drinking between cups. And this is also, just keep on going, the actual text. Oh, please skip. Okay. Leaning with the 4 cups. There's a machloket in Gemara whether you lean for the first 2 cups or the second 2 cups. The first opinion says you lean for the first 2 cups because by the second 2 we say my dahava, what happened happened. The second opinion says we should lean for the second 2 because in the beginning of the Seder we were talking about our slavery, but now we're talking about how we're free, so we lean by these cups. The Gemara concludes that we lean for both sets of 2 cups because we are not sure which ones and we don't want to miss out on the mitzvah. Source from the Gemara for leaning for 4 cups. And this is just the actual text that we have from the Gemara. Yeah. Click. Yeah. Woo!